Welcome back to another Beatles tutorial. This time we're going to be working on I'm Only Sleeping. And we're going to be doing this with a C minor, an F minor, an E flat, an A flat, an E flat, and a G dominant 7. So when I'm in the middle of a dream, stay in bed, float upstream. That time it doesn't go to the G7, it goes back to the A flat and kind of walks on down to the F minor. And then E major 7. Please don't wake me, no, don't shake me. So that E major 7 goes up a whole step to the F minor 7, to a G minor 7, back down a whole step to the F minor 7. So please don't wake me, no, don't shake me, leave me where I am, I'm only sleeping. It resolves on that sleeping. So sleeping is an E flat major 7. Then you come up here and play a minor scale on the G, like a G minor. G, A, B flat, E flat, D to C. So that's the verse and the interlude, I guess a bridge sort of. Verse 2 again, C minor. Everybody seems to think I'm lazy, but I don't mind. I think they're crazy, running everywhere with such a speed, till they find there's no need. Please don't spoil my day, I'm miles away, and after all, I'm only sleeping. Now this part, it goes down, this is more of a bridge, I guess. Keeping an eye on the world going by my window. So that's B flat minor. So it does this once. Keeping an eye on the world going by my window. Taking my time, lying there staring at the ceiling. It's almost like a pickup note, like it really goes into that C sharp pretty cool, or that C minor really hops in there. They're staring at the ceiling, waiting for a sleepy feeling. And then it's got that solo, I guess a backwards guitar if you can get your effects processor to do that sort of thing. And then it goes back into the please don't spoil my day, I'm miles away, and after all, I'm only sleeping. And that's it. Work on harmony, work on rhythm. rhythmic elements, backwards electric guitar section, bass and drums, you know, if you want to get it together as a band. But I'm Only Sleeping. It's a nice, dreamy little tune, and you know, I hope you found this lesson to be informative. If you like this sort of thing, you know, consider giving us a like and a share and a subscribe and all that. So thanks for tuning in, and you know, go back to bed.